shopping for clothes.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a black blouse.
Are you looking for a plain blouse or something with a print?
Just plain black with long sleeves. It's for work.
The work blouses are right here. What size are you?
I'm usually a medium. Sometimes a small.
How about this one?
That one looks nice. What material is it?
It's 100% cotton.
That sounds good. Could I try it on?
Certainly. The changing rooms are over there.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
A dentist appointment. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm okay. My tooth has been hurting a lot.
When did the tooth pain start?
About 2 days ago,
Did anything happen that might have caused it? Maybe an accident.
I don't think so. It just got worse every day.
Well, let's take a look and see what's wrong. Open your mouth, please.
Okay.
It looks like you might have a cavity, but nothing major.
I hope it's only a small cavity. It hurts a lot.
We will have to take some x-rays to make sure. Follow my assistant, please.
All right.
A doctor's appointment.
Good afternoon. What have you come in for today?
I have a bad cough and a fever.
When did the fever start?
It started last Thursday and has been getting worse every day.
Have you been taking any medication?
I've been taking one of these over-the-counter medicines.
Then let's take a look. Could you open your mouth and say, "Ah"?
Ah,
You probably have a bad cold. Get plenty of fluids and rest. If you don't feel better in a couple of days, come and see me again.
can you write me a doctor's note for work?
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's all. Thank you.
You are welcome, and you should feel better soon. If it gets any worse, call the office and let me know.
Giving directions.
Excuse me? I'm trying to find the Crown restaurant. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. It's just around the corner. Turn left, then go straight and left again.
Could you repeat that and speak a little bit slower? My English isn't so good.
Of course. Turn left here and then go straight for about 500 meters. Then turn left again, and the restaurant will be on your right-hand side.
How long do you think it will take me to get there?
Maybe about 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm here on vacation, and I'm having a hard time finding my way around.
No worries. You are welcome.
Taking a taxi.
Good evening. Where are you heading?
Do you know where the Astoria Hotel is?
You mean the one in the city center?
Yes. Do you think we can make it in 20 minutes?
I can't promise anything, but I think we will be fine.
Thank you. I have to be there at 6:30.
What brings you to the city?
Vacation. I'm going on a city sightseeing tour.
That's nice. Is it your first time in the city?
Not the first time, but I haven't been back in many years.
Here we are! Astoria Hotel.
How much do I owe you?
It's $18.20. Please.
Here is $20. Keep the change. Thank you very much.
At the library.
How can I help you?
I would like to check out some books.
Sure. Can I see your library card?
I don't have one. How do I apply for one?
No problem. We can do it right now. Just fill out this form and sign on the back.
How much is the card? And what are the fees for late returns?
The card is free and late returns are 30 cents per book per day.
Thank you. I was also wondering if I could reserve a book.
Of course. Which one would you like to reserve?
I was looking for Timless. Your database online said that it is checked out right now.
I reserved it for you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you very much. Renting an apartment. Good afternoon. I'm interested in your apartment. Is it still available for rent?
Yes, the apartment is still available.
Great. Could you tell me a little bit about it?
It's a 2-bedroom, partially furnished apartment with 1 parking space.
How much is the rent? And does it include utilities?
It's $740 a month, including gas and water. Electricity is separate. The security deposit is $1,480.
Are pets allowed? I have 2 small cats.
Cats and smaller pets are allowed. But there is an extra security deposit of $400 in case of damage.
That is no problem. Does the apartment have a balcony?
Yes, it has 1 eastward-facing balcony, and it's on the 2nd floor.
This all sounds great. Could I come by and look at it today? Maybe around 5 p.m.?
Of course. May I have your name, please?
It's Ashley Jones.
All right, Ashley, I will see you at 5 p.m.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video. Some relations are made to be last